So I have never owned a Neverfull. This is my first time ever. And usually everybody says, oh, the first bag you buy is a Neverfull. Actually, mine wasn't a Neverfull. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of big bags, but I did fall in love with this one. So I'm going to show you guys. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the bag. Okay, let me open it up. And if you guys can see, it's this pretty. It's the summer one, if you guys can guess. So it comes like this, locked. And it comes with the pouch attached. It's really cute pouch. So it comes attached like this. This one, most people attach it from here, and then they attach it and they use it as a cute little wristlet. So it's just hardware. And the interior, I'm a little scared of. It's a really light color, but it's really cute. It's made in France. Then it has another pocket. And it's really cute. I don't know if you guys saw, I have this one from the last collection that came out. Okay. And I actually fell in love with the charm on this one. Okay, let me take it out of the bag so you guys can get the full effect. It's so beautiful. Look, this is the charm. This is what I was so excited about. The charm. It feels like, I don't know, I can't explain the material of it, but it's not leather. And then it has the cute little design right here. So this is how, I guess, you pull it and make the bag smaller. And it has the middle hardware. Very beautiful. And inside, as you can see, it has the Louis Vuitton. And then where it's made. And it comes with the little bag. Zipper right there. And there's the bag interior. It's very plain and big. You can put an organizer and make it nice. I've seen a lot of people travel with this, so I thought it'd be cute to travel with it. That's why I got it. And then I fell in love with the charm. I think the charm gives it more character. As you can see, the bag looks a little bit nicer with, let's move the box out of the way. It gives it more character. It is pretty large size. This is the Neverfull MM, and yeah, it's very cute, as you guys can see. And this is the twirl. It has like it fades from a lighter, like a cream color, to a dark blue. I will put the picture below. I will insert the picture of last year's. It's similar to last year's, but this year, I don't know, the charm just won me over, and that's why I got it. It's really, really cute, and this is perfect for the summer. So if you guys are looking into this bag, it is really hard to get. I am going to say that it did take me a while to get it. I purchased the bag at night. That's the only way I was able to get it. So let me just give you guys a little twirl of the bag so you guys can see it. It's very, very, very cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.